keep walking.
I'm just walking.
Okay.
I'm walking on the side
Listen,
of him.
you're down to two options now. Okay?
Can I walk on the side of him?
Leave on your own, or you're going to leave
Can
the
I
handcuffs.
walk on the side of
Walk.
him? I'm just walking.
On May 23, 2025, airport officers responded to a passenger removed from a Frontier Airlines flight who refused to leave the secure terminal area.
Bruh, I swear to God, I did not do nothing. Bruh, I didn't do nothing. I know my rights, bro.
1656.
Ma'am, keep walking.
I'm just walking.
Okay.
I'm walking on the side
Listen,
of
you're
him.
down to two options now. Okay?
Can I walk on the side of him?
Leave on your own, or you're going to leave
Can
the
I
handcuffs.
walk on the side of
Walk.
him? Get off of me. Hey, Ron.
I got it.
Thank you.
Why
Why wasn't I
Show me 10
You have to go to the non-secure side.
Airport.
Go up to the front desk.
Charlie checkpoint.
Listen, I got my dad. I got you.
I love it. You're the next YouTube sensation. You're on camera too.
My dad is the kid.
So your dad's probably going to be embarrassed by this. So let's go. You have to go up front now.
They kicked me off the flight because they said
That's our cup right there because she was drinking.
no, they kicked me off the flight. They said what did we call us off the flight?
They felt that you were under the influence of alcohol. You weren't acting appropriately, and they got you off the plane.
And they got me off the plane.
Now it's time for you to leave the secure side.
Now
Go
it's time
front.
for me to leave.
These deputies are going to escort you up front.
Going to do what?
Escort you up front.
So they don't want to escort me. I'm going to walk myself.
Okay, walk.
I can
But
walk
it's time
myself.
for you to leave now.
Yeah, you telling me
It's time for you to leave now, yes.
At 4:42, it's time for me to leave.
Yes,
I'm walking.
And 2 Bravo 40 for you.
Excuse me, Officer, Dean,
Yes, ma'am.
may you please?
Well, let's walk and talk.
Okay. That's okay, sir.
Stand by. District 2 Bravo 40.
We got our 43 or not?
No.
Just make sure you're 40 feet any questions and things there.
So why I can't do it? Because you telling me you can't help me, but I can help you by walking away.
Okay,
But
so
technically,
no. You
I'm
gotta listen.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut up.
I'm gonna tell you this one time.
Yes.
You're going to leave. If you give us any type of resistance, we're going to take you to jail for being drunk and disorderly.
I'm not drunk. Y'all can take my legs. I'm a nurse. Y'all can take my legs. I'm not drunk.
Just listen. That was it. So please, let us go.
Tell me why would you? Tell me why I gotta go.
You can check with the other unit in the city. Okay.
Let me call you right there.
11. That's work.
You can walk out on your own, or you can go to the Broward County Main
Tell
Jail.
me why I gotta
I just explained that to you. Let's go. The time for talking is over. Let's go.
So tell me why. If I don't walk with you, if I don't walk with you right now, what
Either you're going to walk with you, or we're going to walk you out in handcuffs. Okay, well then let's go. Let's continue.
Let's go, Auntie. No. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you already got to the floor.
Let's go. Tell me what's going on.
We're walking and talking. Let's go.
Just come to
Man, do you have your driver's license with you?
Absolutely.
Can I see it, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Can you tell me why you want it?
What? Because what's it called? We have to put a notice that you've been bounced from basically Frontier. They don't want you flying.
So why would I be in Frontier?
I don't know. They called us. We don't.
Why they call y'all?
That's the thing.
I didn't threaten nobody. I didn't hurt
got you.
nobody. The
I
only
got
thing
you.
I asked was listen.
you.
I'm a caring person. The only thing I asked was the parents
I got you. Look, I don't own the airlines. I'm just doing my job. That's what I'm asking.
I didn't do nothing
I know
to
you didn't.
nobody.
I know. I got you. I got you.
83. Doesn't work.
That's
I didn't hurt nobody. I didn't threaten nobody. And none of that.
1740.
I got you. I appreciate it, man.
Alpha 3,
Thank you so much.
It be your own kind.
But they're the ones that called us, okay?
I'm gonna wait right here with you
That's fine.
until you get back.
Showing you around
Anyway.
additional units to respond. Yeah, there is.
Yeah. Okay.
Again, what's my case number? 3707.
I can't go nowhere. I'm not moving without my ID.
That's right.
I'm not moving.
Has your ID. He's going to be walking
Thank
out
you,
my
bro.
lawyer. Listen, I'm about to call my lawyer.
That's
That's
right.
fine. You can call him wherever you
Yeah.
like. But you're going to continue to walk and you can call him.
I'm not.
Are we gonna go?
Can I get my ID?
Absolutely. Let's go though.
Thank you.
You're gonna be trespassed from the airport. You can't fly from
How am
here.
I trespassing?
Because you're belligerent right now. Come on, it's okay.
How am I belligerent?
Ma'am, you can see this body cam later.
You
Come
know
on.
what? You for me. You
Come
for
on.
me.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Go on here, about yourself. Bruh. I swear to God, I did not do nothing. Bruh, I didn't do nothing. I know my rights, bro.
1656.
Ma'am, keep walking.
I'm just walking.
Okay.
I'm walking on the side
Listen,
of
you're
him.
down to two options now. Okay?
Can I walk on the side
Leave
of
on
him?
your own, or you're gonna leave
Can
the
I
handcuffs.
walk on the side of
Walk.
him? Get off me. Hey, Ron.
I got it.
Thank you. How are you gonna let them do this to me?
No, you did it to yourself.
Oh, that's fine.
Take this off. I got her on.
I didn't do nothing, right? Did I do anything? Thank you.
Ma'am, we told you 15 million times.
So I was
You've been asked
walking.
nicely
Ma'am,
multiple
outside, I was
times.
walking.
This is not a your case. Here we go.
That's fine.
No, I'm gonna get up. I ain't. You did all this for what? Because all I
You
said
did
because
it.
I didn't like I was being. Make it make sense.
You make
You gotta
it
make
make
it
sense.
make sense.
20.
That hurt. I'm telling you, that hurt me. That hurt me.
You just look
I
at
just-
yourself.
to me.
Bravo 16, resurrection.
Good? Let's go. Walk.
Come on, let's
Yes,
go.
I will.
If she don't want to walk, we have a wheelchair.
No, I'll
She
walk.
was uncooperative.
I walk. No. I'm gonna walk. I'm
All right,
gonna
look.
walk.
That
I'm
option.
going to walk.
That option right. Look,
I'm
after
gonna
you
walk.
threw yourself on
No,
the ground, I don't want you
I'm
to get
gonna
hurt.
walk. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. I don't need no wheelchair. I'm gonna walk. I promise you. I'm not doing no
Okay,
wheelchair.
then walk on
All
out.
right.
Let's go. I get the stuff. I got it. Don't worry about it. I got it.
I know I didn't do nothing. I didn't hit nobody, didn't hurt nobody, didn't harm nobody.
If they
None
want
of
us to
that.
water
Only thing I was asking the people that was coming to play, how they doing?
Take care of it.
So that's the part of asking the people how they doing.
Defer this, someone go over there.
They come to notice at the end of the day, I gotta ask how they doing by law.
I mean, 3 Bravo.
I ain't tripping, though.
Thank you.
They know what's up 'cause I help. Thank you, Niecy. Right. I ain't deserve this. Right. I ain't deserve this. I ain't do none of that. I promise you. When the camera's back, I did none of that. She want to tell me the plan. How they complain about me and they coming to me? I was in the 5th grade on the 12th grade reading level. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. You feel me? I never been a dummy. Never. I've never been a dummy. I promise you, that's not gonna be your employee when you come 2026. My dad is somebody. My dad is. I did nothing. I promise you. Listen, one thing about me. No. I'm moving over because my wrist hurt, bro. Like I'm going to move over. Regardless of what you say, I'm going to move over. My wrist is hurt. You got my wrist locked. For what reason?
Ma'am.
I don't know. No. I'm not asking you for answering. You got my leg locked. You got my wrist locked. For what reason? I don't know. So therefore, I have to move.
Okay.
You feel me? I'm not trying to disrespect you or disobey you or none of that.
You can see that I'm being cool.
No. It shows. You're not stupid. You're not stupid. She's weird. How the f*** a white lady pet my head up? She know I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I promise you. I didn't hurt nobody. I didn't make nobody feel like they in harm's way. Cause that's not me as a person. I'm a happy-go-lucky person. My word could be from the prom. I'm still gonna be happy. I promise you. But for you to do what you did, yeah. I appreciate you a lot.
You might want to back her in.
Yes.
Whatever you feel like is safe, baby. I'm not no threat. I'm no threat. I promise you, I'm not no threat. I ain't trying to hurt nobody. I got kids to get home to. You feel me? I was on my way to see my mother and my father. I did nothing. I swear to God. No passenger on that plane can say I threatened them or anything. I promise you. But I ain't no sucker. And I know what's up. I was one of them. Bro, y'all not about to think y'all about to discharge me into an Uber under there. It's not happening. My dad is really somebody. So to cover your asses, y'all better take me back in there, I'm telling you.
This case demonstrates the intersection of Federal Aviation Authority, state criminal law, and Fourth Amendment protections during arrest. Under Title 14 Code of Federal Regulations, Section 121.575, airlines have authority to deny boarding to passengers who appear intoxicated. This is an arbitrary power. Federal aviation regulations prioritize flight safety by granting airline personnel broad discretion to assess passenger fitness. Once Frontier Airlines denied boarding and ordered the subject to leave, her continued presence in the secure area became criminal trespass under state law. The Fourth Amendment governs this arrest. Officers needed probable cause that a crime had been committed, which was established when she refused the trespass warning. The Supreme Court established in Graham v. Connor, 489 United States 386 from 1989, the objective reasonableness standard for use of force. Force must be judged from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with 20/20 hindsight. Graham identifies three factors: severity of crime, immediate threat to safety, and active resistance or attempt to evade arrest. First factor, criminal trespass is a misdemeanor, relatively minor. This weighs toward minimal force being appropriate. Second factor, the subject posed no violent threat to officers or others. This also weighs toward minimal force. Third factor, the subject actively resisted through passive means, going limp and refusing verbal commands. This justifies escalation on the force continuum. Officers progressed appropriately through force levels: presence, verbal commands, soft empty hand control, then handcuffing. Pennsylvania versus Mims, 434 United States 106 from 1977, supports officer authority to give reasonable commands during lawful detentions. Officers provided at least 15 warnings before escalating to physical control, demonstrating extensive de-escalation consistent with modern policing standards. However, officers failed to adequately respond to repeated handcuff pain complaints, a gap in best practices that creates liability risk. Standard procedure requires checking tightness, ensuring double locking, and documenting subject complaints for both safety and legal protection. The officers receive a grade of B+, strong legal compliance, excellent de-escalation, appropriate force selection, and professional demeanor throughout. The deduction comes from inadequate response to pain complaints, which deviates from best practices and creates unnecessary liability exposure. The subject receives a grade of D-. Once given a trespass warning by authorized airline personnel, she had no legal right to remain. Her passive resistance provided legal justification for officers to escalate force and established probable cause for additional charges. She was charged with criminal trespass and disorderly intoxication, both entirely preventable through simple compliance with lawful orders. Frontier Airlines receives a grade of B. The airline appropriately exercised federal authority under FAA regulations to deny boarding for safety concerns. Clear initial communication about the denial reasons and appeals process could have prevented escalation before law enforcement involvement. Key lessons. For citizens, if denied boarding, comply immediately and seek legal recourse afterward through administrative complaints or civil litigation. You cannot win a legal argument at the scene. Resistance only adds criminal charges and legally justifies greater use of force. For officers, maintain de-escalation efforts throughout, respond promptly to pain complaints with documentation, and follow handcuff safety protocols. Small procedural steps like checking restraints and photographing injuries prevent major liability problems and protect both officers and subjects. For airlines, clear written communication about denial decisions, explanation of passenger rights, and documentation can prevent criminal escalation. This case illustrates that compliance first, then legal challenge, is always the correct strategy when facing lawful authority backed by federal regulation. Understanding these legal principles protects everyone: passengers exercising their rights properly, officers performing lawful duties, and airlines ensuring flight safety. The intersection of Federal Aviation Authority and state criminal law creates clear boundaries that all parties must respect for safe, legal outcomes. Let us know what interactions or legal topics you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed legal analysis of police interactions and courtroom content. Stay safe and stay informed.